What are you gonna shoot on 18?
119.
Today I would really like to see a 103 out of me.
Front 9, 62. Back 9, 65.
I'll go for 94 again. It is a beautiful day out here. The boys are walking. We are not. We had a little fun at the bar last night. But that is not going to translate into our golf game.
All right, Nora. What are you gonna shoot on 18?
I'll go for 94 again.
You're gonna go for a 94 again? That's crazy. That's crazy. Back-to-back 94s would go hard.
It would make me hard.
It would make you hard. Clean strike. All right, Paul.
Yeah.
A hole and a half in. What are you gonna shoot today?
Front 9, 62. Back 9, 65.
Okay, you're not hopeful for the day at all. I like it. Birdie putt, short. All right, Alex. After 2 holes, what are you gonna shoot today?
119.
119. All right, I like that.
What do you think?
I think that could really kick nice.
Oh yeah.
my god.
Go to the hole.
Perfect.
Get in the hole. Get in the hole.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Beauty, dude. What a stick.
Woo!
Yeah.
Today I would really like to see a 103 out of me. That'd be a nice game.
Dirty little rim here. Birdie. Birdie. Oh. Oh no.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh yeah.
Burn, baby.
Finish the front with 42.
57.
2 edges, very underrated.
How many horsepower is that? Run!
Okay.
Hole
You're
golf
slurring
without
your
even
words.
having to pee yet, which is
That is extra crazy, Paul.
you did like a fuck ton of coffee.
I thought I was gonna shoot a 103 and I came out with an honest 102, baby. Woo. Nora said she was gonna shoot 94 again after shooting 94 yesterday.
And I shot 90.
I shot 120, and I said I was gonna shoot 127.
Bam.
I shot out 107 and
Damn.
said I was gonna shoot 119.
We're all pretty fucking good.
We got to go get a hot